Let's learn how to block an email on your iPhone step by step, no matter which mail app you open. We'll start with Apple Mail, then go through Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, iCloud, AOL, and a few others, so you know exactly how to block spam emails on your iPhone for setup. The same steps work to block an email on your iPad as well. I'm Lauren from the Clean Email app, and here's why you should trust me. We've been helping everyday people clean their emails and keep them clean for over 10 years. We've literally process billions of emails, and for each video, I tap into the expertise of the Clean Email team to make the best tutorials for you. Let's get into it. Here's the thing about blocking on your iPhone. There's no single button that works everywhere. Apple Mail does it one way, provider apps do it another, and a couple of apps barely let you block it all. So the right method depends on the app you actually use. Let's start with the most common one, Apple Mail. To block a sender in Apple Mail, open the Mail app and find a message from the person you want gone. Tap their name at the top of the email and then tap View Contact Card. Scroll down, tap Block this contact and confirm. That's it. One nice detail, this block syncs across all your Apple devices, so blocking on your iPhone also covers your iPad and Mac. If the email looks sketchy and you'd rather not open it, you can block straight from your inbox. Press and hold the message to bring up the preview, then pick Block Sender from the options. Same result, and you never touch anything suspicious. By default, Apple Mail still keeps blocked messages around, just marked. If you want them out of sight, change one setting. Open Settings and tap Mail. Scroll the threading section, tap Block Sender, and choose Move to Trash. After that, anything from a block sender skips your inbox and goes straight to the trash. Unblocking is just as quick if you change your mind. Open Settings, tap Mail, then tap Blocked. Find the address, swipe left, and tap Unblock. Quick note for older iPhones, on iOS 12 and below, you won't be finding a true sender blocking. The move there is to mark the messages as spam so future emails from that sender drop to your junk folder on their own. That covers Apple Mail, but plenty of people read their email in a provider app instead, and each one handles blocking a little differently. Let's run through them. In the Gmail app, open an email from the sender you want to stop. Tap More, and choose Block, followed by their name. You can also report it as spam if you prefer. Outlook is similar. Select the message you want to stop, tap More, choose Report Junk, and then tap Block Sender, and confirm it once more. Heads up, the older version of Outlook app might not show that option. If yours doesn't, use Outlook on the web instead. The Yahoo app on iPhone doesn't offer real sender blocking. What you get is spam marking. Go to your inbox, tap the sender's profile picture, and choose Mark as Spam. For iCloud Mail, the strongest blocking lives on the web, not the app. Go to iCloud.com and sign in. Open Mail, then Settings, and then click the Rules tab. Set the condition to Is From, type the email address, set the action to Move to Trash, and click Add. From then on, the senders land in the trash automatically. AOL doesn't have its own iOS Mail app, and inside the AOL app, you're mostly marking spam, not blocking. Open the app and tap Inbox. Tap the sender's profile picture, pick the message, tap More, and choose Mark as Spam. ProtonMail gives you a clean block. Open an email from the sender, tap their email address, and select Block Messages from this sender. Zoho Mail keeps it simple. Select the email or emails you don't want, tap the down arrow at the top, and choose Spam. So that's every native option. If you've noticed though, the experience is a little all over the place. Apple Mail blocks properly, Gmail and Outlook give you solid controls, Yahoo and AOL really only let you flag spam. iCloud pushes you to the web, none of it all lives in one place and all of it blocks one address at a time. And the last part is the real catch. Most persistent spammers don't stick to one address. They rotate through dozens under the same domain, so you block one and the next email shows up from a slightly different one. This is exactly where Clean Email fills the gap. It runs on iPhone, iPad, and desktop and gives you two tools. First, the Senders view. Download the Clean Email app, tap the menu in the top left corner and open Senders. Pick the sender you want to stop and choose the block action. There's a toggle to move all their existing messages to trash at the same time, so you block them and clear out the old clutter in one move. Most iPhone mail apps don't do both at once. Second, blocking a whole domain with AutoClean. Open AutoClean from the side panel, tap Create Rule, tap any sender or recipients and choose Sender Domain, and set the action to trash or to permanently delete and create the rule. Now every address under that domain gets stopped, not just the ones you caught today. If you want to try it, click the link in the description for a 15% off discount. Quick word on iPad, since a lot of you asked, everything I showed works the same way to block email on the iPad. The menu sits in the same spots. And because Clean Email runs on mobile and desktop equally, well, you're not locked into one device to manage your senders. And that's how to block unwanted emails on your iPhone, whatever app you use. Set it up once and the junk stops finding you.